Hi, this is Karen from Levi Garments. A+A is coming. We will be there. Do you wonder why we deserve your time among so many suppliers? Let me give you the reason today. We've been focusing on the safety clothes for about 20 years. With our factories both in China and Bangladesh, we bring all our self-designed products to the fair. All the styles are guided by our deep understanding on the standard like EN/ISO 20471, NC107, CS8J96, EN343, EN342, EN14058. It's functional and practical. Now we are here, bringing our new styles to do a preview for you. These two styles are designed for the cold weather. It's lightweight, warm, and super comfortable. It can meet the standard EN/ISO 14058 or EN342. Class 2, if you test it with a magic paint, the result will be even better. It's also waterproof and breathable, so it can pass the workwear standard like EN343. The classes you can design like class 4.1, class 3.1, class 3.2, class 3.3, but it's very hard to meet class 4.4, because this is a padding styles. Anyway, it's a very good styles for the outdoor challenges. And these two styles, they are a series. You can see we are using a knitted laminated fabric with the ultrasonic fabric at the bottom and back. Yeah, it has a very nice contrast in the chest. It's also using the heat transfer tape at the body and sleeve. We also designed a body warmer like this. You can see, so you can make it a series, a matching styles for the workers' wardrobe. Now let's move on to our lightweight workwear jacket. It's using the 2.5 layer fabric or 3 layer fabric. All the same are seam tape, so make sure every part of this jacket is windproof, waterproof, and breathable. It can meet the workwear highest standard EN343, 4.4 for these two styles. For this one, we are using the reflective piping here. For the heavy version, we are using the heat transfer tape here. Yeah. These are high-end products. Hope they can bring you some inspiration. This jacket is also a high-waist version rainwear jacket. It can also pass EN343.4. Yeah, you can see we are using the waterproof zipper at the center front and also a printed waterproof zipper at the chest and heat transfer tape at the body, shoulder, and sleeve. For this series, yeah, they are using the same printed waterproof zipper for the chest pocket. Sometimes some features will highlight a product, so I believe the zipper can bring you some ideas. Now let's go to our 37.5 series. These are two pants made of the 37.5 fabric. You can see it has the lamination inside. Here is the mark. The idea behind the 37.5 technology is very amazing. The 37.5 particles will take away the infrared energy from the body. If there is moisture, they will take away the evaporation to keep you cool. If it's too cold, they will return the infrared energy to the body to keep you warm. So it's a very good temperature regulation for your body. So this technology is very good for the base layer like the pants and t-shirt. Short sleeve t-shirt and long sleeve t-shirt. Do you think it's only limited to these styles? No, it can also apply to the jacket, like this. Actually, it's using the polyester spandex molten fabric for the jacket and pants. I can offer you inspiration for the design of the 37.5 technology styles. Actually, the more layer of 37.5 technology, the better for the temperature regulation systems. So maybe we can also try it on. These are two workwear pants. For this style, it's using the 50% polyester, 47% cotton, and 3% spandex, and it's 300 grams. So it's a very robust workwear for the workers. It has the 2 hand pockets, 2 hip pockets, and 2 pockets, and also the knee pockets to hold the knee pad here. The detail for these styles, it can be we make an elastic waist here. You can see we can stretch it out as big as possible, and we also made a gap zip here, so it can make sure you can pull it out easily. So what's new with it, Laura?
It's reversible.
Reversible. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's reversible body warmer. It has 2 pockets here, and we're using the melange fabric at the inside. At the surface of this body warmer, we are using the heat transfer tape here, and also classic 1 chest pocket and 2 side pockets. For the side pockets, we believe we add some details for the styles, the construction. And here, this is the backing. We make the reflective tip slanting like this. It has the heating pad at here, here, and here. And there is also graphene print inside, so we are really applying the technology into the apparel, isn't it? Now these are two brothers, isn't it? This one is look more delicate, and this one look more robot because it's using the fleece. This is using the jumper. You can see the fabric here. Yeah. So if for someone they are looking for more delicate look, this one can be an option. If they want to look more strong and robot, this one can be a choice. So we offered a series of styles. They look similar but still have some difference in the details. So that's it. We only show you several styles of our new design we bring to the A+A. We are looking forward you come to us at 9E24. We are in Hall 9. And we can talk about the styles. You can touch the materials. You can try it on. I believe it will be very good for us to discuss more deeply for the potential of the project. I will be there. I'm looking forward to talk with you face to face. Okay, so see you.